Welcome to the very first Best Practices video for kindergarten. In this video, I'll share what one can expect to see and hear during a visit of mathematics in the kindergarten classroom. During this unit, students will learn to compose and decompose numbers to 10. They're going to be counting forward and backwards. They're going to be reading, writing, and representing numbers, and they're going to use manipulatives and pictures. And again, composing is putting a number together, and decomposing is taking a number apart. What should we see happening in the classroom to support our students' learning throughout this unit? Students should be using tools throughout the unit, not just at the beginning. Students start with tools and then coloring or drawing pictures of what they did. As they move deeper into the units, they will be asked to show their thinking with pictures and numbers to represent the situations they are solving. You'll notice a mini copy of the Mathematical Thinking and Reasoning Standards poster in the corner. This is to remind us that the MTRs are how students demonstrate their understanding of mathematics. These explorations by students in the classroom could demonstrate MTR 1, actively participate in effortful learning. Number 2, demonstrate understanding by representing problems in multiple ways. Number 5, use patterns and structures to help understand and connect math concepts. And number 7, apply math to real-world contexts. The questions we ask dictate the learning and types of conversations that will happen with our students. Here are a few examples of math chat questions from STEMscopes found within each Explore section. Notice that these questions are mostly open-ended. These questions will elicit deep student thinking and explanations. The conversations from these types of questions could demonstrate MTR 1, 4, and 6. As students engage in the explorations and deepen and discuss their learning throughout the unit, we should hear mathematical learning being used by both the teacher and the student. Here's a list of some possible vocabulary terms we should hear throughout this unit. This list can also be found within the STEMscopes parent letter. Throughout the unit of study, we should see multiple opportunities for students to demonstrate their learning through student journals and exit tickets that correlate with each Explore, as well as show what you know tasks. Students may also use fluency builders and games to practice and elaborate on their understanding during this unit. Learning tasks such as these provide the teacher with opportunities to informally assess student understanding throughout the unit. Activities such as these demonstrate MTR 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. As we visit classrooms, we may want to ask students questions to better gauge their understanding of the current content. Here we see a few different questions we could ask students to get understanding of what they know. These example questions and more can be found on the website smathsmarts.com or by clicking any of the benchmark links within our instructional guides. Here, students are demonstrating and explaining MTR 4, 5, and 6. Students can further their learning at home with their guardian or even a sibling or friend, and you can do this support in a lot of fun ways. This learning activity is taken from the STEMscopes parent letter. Here the students can play the I Spy game with a fun mathematical twist. One person decides on a number and spies something with that particular number. You can give hints, such as including a color if needed. The guesser then counts various objects until they can find something with that particular number. Then each player switches, finding math around the home or other places at school. This supports MTR 3 and 7. I hope you find this video to be helpful with what you might hear or see in the classroom when you're composing or decomposing numbers to 10. Remember to be on the lookout for the next exciting best practices video coming soon.